Hello, today I'm fishing a small river, southeastern Wisconsin, along with my son, Barry. He's going to show you the setup that we're using. We just got here, it's just before dark. We're targeting Flathead.
This is a 65-pound Power Pro braid on a sinker slide. We usually use 3 or 4 ounce to sinkers. Bead of the barrel silver here. This is I believe 60-pound test. Big game mono leader, and this is number 7 or number 8 reaper hook. And we're going to put that on a live sucker. So typically I just hook it through the back. If there happens to be more current, sometimes I'll hook it through the mouth. Just make sure you always have the scale off the point of that hook. And that's it.
Okay, well, so we're just getting set up. This is Barry's new boat. It's a 18-foot Alumacraft. And this is a real shallow river. So he's got one of them jack plates, a power jack plate on it, so he can lift that motor up. It's awesome for this shallow river. There's no way I could get my 20-foot deep V in here. Just way too shallow. But he's caught in a number of big flatheads. So I'll turn you back on if we catch a fish.
Okay, we got one on here. This is a large live sucker. About 20 minutes after dark, I'd say. Channel cat?
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's not a flathead, but it's a eater-sized channel cat. Right in the corner of the mouth. Good hook. I'll just show it here. Get her out of the net. There we go.
So this took a large live sucker. It's a decent fish.
There he is.
First one of the night.
I'm gonna be deep frying this one. Okay, we got one on. This is the second hit of the day. Barry's got
This is cut bait here.
his cut bait.
Feels like
I'll
a
be the
channel
nut.
cat.
I'll be the nut man. Another channel cat. Okay. Another eater size. See now that? I don't have to go to Pick and Save and buy catfish this week. Okay. Yeah, give me that out of the way. Oh, that's in there. That's a perfect eating size channel cat.
Yeah, this one is this was cut bait, cut sucker. You can see this hook here. This is a number 6 Reaper.
Number 6 Reaper. Oh, you had a little float on there, huh?
Yeah.
Right in the corner of the mouth. Yeah, nice eating size channel cat. Got a bite on this one rod. Second one from the left. Hey, look at this nice boat lamp. Boat light Barry just bought. Lights up everything. We keep it off until we get a bite or something, otherwise these bugs will drive me nuts. Got that on Amazon. I'm gonna have to look into that. And for lighting on our poles, we're using whisker sticks. Was that what they call?
Yeah, whisker sticks LED.
Whisker sticks LED lights. Here in Wisconsin, we're allowed 3 lines per angler. And I forgot to explain, there's a lot of wood underwater right back where our bait is.
Downriver.
Downriver, yeah.
Oh, what happened, man?
Well, I'll turn you back on if we get a bite. We got one on here. Okay, let me get the net. It's on cut bait. Okay. Bring them down. Another channel.
So this is with a float.
Got a float on it. Cut bait.
6 Reaper hook.
I'm gonna put him in the box too. Yeah, a small channel. We'll put him in the box.
Got a fish on.
He seems decent size.
Alright, go leave that one out. This was on a live sucker, a large sucker too, the biggest one we had actually.
And this is on a Denali bottom feeder rod. Denali bottom feeder. With a hooker's terminal tackle. Reaper. not big, but he's decent. Gotta bring him over here. Give me a... Ooh, he's good, boy. Not to weigh in. Now this fish we're gonna release. We're not gonna. He's too big to eat. We leave him for seed. Big head on him. He's up there. Right on the side of the mouth. Corner of the mouth. Trying to take it out easy so I don't damage it. Here we go. Nice flathead.
Did you get your light on your helmet?
Okay.
How does this turn on? There you go.
Nice flathead. Just let him go. We don't need to weigh him.
Okay.
And shoulder release. Nice one.
Is that a live sucker?
Live sucker.
Yep.
Fish on.
So got another one on here. This is also another live sucker. Same rod even. It feels big. I can reel in this other one.
No, you don't feel big. Bring him up here. Channel cat. Another live sucker.
Same rig. Good enough to eat.
Small one. Weighs. Oh, man. He was hooked in the eye. But we're going to keep him anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, we got one on. Get the light turned on. See what we're doing. It's not gut bait. Barry's got one. Another channel. Looks like another channel cat for the box. say he's going to lose money this week. I've been buying fish every week for the last year anyway. Okay, get them in the box. Okay, we're gonna call it a night. We ended up with 5 keeper eater catfish and 1 flathead that we released. Had a couple other strikes, but I think the flatheads are going on spawn, so it's a little tougher to catch them. Yesterday, Barry caught three flatheads on the same river, so but they're starting to slow down. I think spawn is coming. So we're going to call it a night and head back to the launch.
We'll try again soon.
See you on the next trip.